I'm here outside of the courthouse with an interesting case of Mr. Barron versus the City of Baltimore, which is about to be ruled by the Supreme Court. Let's talk to Mr. Barron about some more information. Hello, Mr. Barron.
Hello.
What is some background information on the case?
So the city thought it would be fine to divert the river in their construction of national roads. And so, you know what that did? It caused sand to build up in my wharf. And you know I can't have that because ships can't come in and trade. And so I can't get the money from the trade like the good capitalist American I am.
I can't come out the shore because of all this sand. Look at this first squid I caught.
See how much business I'm losing? Naturally, I sued them, the true American I am. Obviously, I won because the jury could see how right I was. Well, the state thinks I don't deserve just compensation, so now we're here.
Well, this is a very interesting case, Mr. Barron. How do you think the Supreme Court will rule?
Well, I think it'll rule in my favor because the Fifth Amendment guarantees just compensation from the government after they mess with private property.
Well, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
The Supreme Court is about to announce their decision. Let's listen in.
I, John Marshall, along with the unanimous Supreme Court, have made a ruling on the case Barron versus the City of Baltimore. It is our decision that the state of Maryland does not owe Mr. Barron compensation for his wharf.
Mr. Marshall, how do you arrive at this decision?
His case used the Fifth Amendment as his reason that he was owed money. However, we, the Supreme Court, have interpreted the Constitution to say the first 10 amendments only apply to the federal government and not to the state governments.
So people's personal rights, as stated by the Bill of Rights, are only protected by the federal government and not by the state government?
That is correct.
Well, that was an interesting turn of events here, and a new precedent has been served by the Supreme Court today.
Can't come out the shore because of all this sand. Look at this first squid I caught.
I'm here outside of the courthouse where an interesting case, Mr. Baltimore versus outside of the courthouse with an interesting case of Mr. Barron versus the City of Baltimore.